All right, we got a 7-Eleven car wash review. 7-Eleven car wash review. Seven-Eleven car wash review. So let's see what it do. I will hit y'all back with the results. Oh, my car moving. Oh, man. I love it when the car move. The car washes I've been to, they don't move no more. The Royal Farm one don't move. You just get in there and they just do it. All right. I'm really hoping that this go to my videos and not my shorts. That's why I'm making it so long, so it can actually go to my videos. I want to start doing videos, guys. Please talk about videos in the comments and in the chats so YouTube can see that I want to start doing more videos, because some people want longer video time from me. Some people don't want shorts all the time. Some people want long videos from me, okay? So, I'm giving you guys one of my first real long new videos. Yes, I am at the 7-Eleven car wash. And man, just for a minute, I thought somebody was walking up on my car. But can't nobody just walk up on your car up in here. It's a locked garage. When you in here, they literally going to work. So we've been sleeping on 7-Eleven. It looks like this might be all right. Yes, we're going to check out the work here very soon. Uh, it's been snowing pretty bad in Norfolk, Virginia. Well, not terribly snow, but snow enough to the point where everything freezes over if water touches it. So mud, trash, all kind of stuff get debris, just gets on your car. You know what I mean? It's irritating, especially for someone like me that loves to stay clean. You know what I mean? It is very irritating. So here we go. So we are at 2 minutes and 53 seconds so far. So you mean to tell me they 7-Eleven wash your car under 5 minutes? Oh, we got to see this work. Yeah, we got to see this work. We gonna have to see this. I can hear it drying though. It sounds like it's trying to dry it. I wonder if it got the undercarriage and if it got like in the walls of the wheel wells. I wonder if it got in the wheel wells. I hope it did, cause everybody know I don't play by my wheel wells. The whole car could be dirty, but I want my wheel wells to be clean. You know what I mean? Wasn't over yet. Got one more extra treat, it looks like. It didn't drop the top on it yet, though. It must drop the top in the end. I don't know. It might have already ran through the top, and I ain't paying no attention. But we for sure about to find out. I'm actually proud of myself. I'm making a long video. This is a long video for me. I'm used to making 30-second clips, 60-second clips, no longer than a minute and 30-second clips. But this time I'm almost shooting to 5 minutes. So I'm definitely proud of myself for making this 5-minute video, y'all. For sure, I'm proud of myself. I cannot wait to see how it comes out. I'm definitely gonna have to watch this one before I post it because I definitely want to make sure that I did good on this because this is my first time doing a big video like this. So guys, wish me luck, please. Wish me the best. Um, this is gonna be the longest video I've ever done in my YouTube history. Right here, this will be the longest video. At 7-Eleven car wash, y'all. I am at 7-Eleven's car wash. Okay, so they telling me to go. Let me see. Okay, it's telling me to go. Okay. Okay, go where? Keep going? Oh, stop right there. What? Is it telling me to keep going? Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Dryer time? What happened to the dryer? Oh, it's just, they did. Dang, the dryer don't work right now. That's crazy, y'all. But I ain't waste all this time for nothing, y'all. I gotta show y'all the car, okay? I ain't waste all this time for nothing. Oh man. This okay.